Hi there! In this video, we'll show you how to manage your form responses in the WhatsForm dashboard. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to track, export, and follow up on responses effortlessly. So first things first, WhatsForm is a simple form that sends your form responses directly to WhatsApp. Most of the time, you'll find your form responses right inside your WhatsApp chats. But if you ever need to see all responses in one place, you can use the Responses page on your WhatsForm dashboard. Let's see how we can do that. First, open your WhatsForm dashboard and select the form you want to check. Then, click on Responses. Here, you'll see all the responses neatly organized in a table format. If you want to download your responses, you can click on Export as CSV, and you'll get a CSV file with all the details. Next, if you need to find something quickly, there's a search bar here to help you filter responses in seconds. You can also adjust the date range to filter responses for a specific period to view or export. You can either choose a custom date range or use a preset filter like last 30 days for quick access. Now here's a really handy feature. If you hover over a response number, you'll see a WhatsApp icon. Clicking on it lets you forward the response directly to WhatsApp. Why is this useful? Well, sometimes a customer fills out the form but doesn't complete the conversation on WhatsApp. By forwarding the response, you can follow up and continue the conversation. You can send it to the original customer to double-check details or to a team member if they need to take over. Lastly, here are a few small things to note. You can delete responses if needed. Click Reload to refresh the data. And if your form has many questions, you can horizontally scroll to find all the answers. That's it. Managing responses in WhatsForm is simple and efficient. If you have any questions, please visit whatsform.help.center.